day. My name is Angel May Beltran. I am a dedicated pre-service teacher and academic researcher currently completing my studies at Caraga State University. My journey in education is driven by a fascination with how modern tools and psychological insights can be harmonized to create more effective, engaging learning environment for the next generation. Throughout my academic career, I have developed a deep specialization in the intersection of artificial intelligence and educational psychology. My recent research focuses specifically on how AI perceptions influence teachers' self efficacy, a project that has required me to master complex frameworks like the Technology Acceptance Model, TAM, and TPAC. My expertise lies in a data driven instructional design. I am highly proficient in creating detailed tables of specifications and aligning curricula with Bloom's taxonomy. My current research utilizes the Technology Acceptance Model, TAM, to analyze how AI perceptions influence teachers' self efficacy. Beyond my technical skills in linear regression and curriculum evaluation, ranging from tilers to stakes models, I bring a unique professional temperament. I maintain a calm, unbreakable presence in the classroom, prioritizing knowledge, logic, mental peace, and high academic standards. I am ready to bring this blend of technological research and resilient leadership to your faculty. Let's build a future where technology and pedagogy work in perfect harmony. Thank you for your time.